This question belongs to algorithm subject and was asked in GATE CSC 2015 SET-3. So the question states, suppose C equals to C0 to Ck minus 1 is an array of length k. So we have C which is an array of length k. So indices from 0 to k minus 1. Where all the entries are from the set 0, 1. So each entry is either 0 or 1. For any positive integers a and n, consider the following pseudocode. So here we have the pseudocode. So we have do something C a n. We put z equals to 1 for I equal to 0 to k minus 1. So here we have opening bracket for loop. Indentation is not given. You can use it by common sense. Here this is closing bracket for loop. And these are the first statement inside for and the second statement inside for loop. Then we have return set. Okay, and these are parentheses for do something. If k equals to 4, which means we have a array of length 4. So what is our C array? C array is 1, 0, 1, 1 with indices 0, 1, 2, 3, which is 0 to k minus 1. A is 2 and n is 8. The output of do something is okay. So we have called do something on C, A is 2 and n is 8. So first we have z equals to 1. So we create a variable z, put its value 1. So we have a variable z with a value 1. Now we have I loop. So I goes from 0, I equals to 0, I equals to 1, I equals to 2, I equals to 3. Then we have do z equals to z square mod n. So it is z square mod n. Z square mod n. So our z is 1. So z equals to 1 square mod 8, which is 1 mod 8, which is equals to 1. So z remains as 1. If C of I equals to 1, if C of 0 equals to 1, yes, C of 0 equals to 1, then z equals to, which is our z into A is 2 mod 8, which is 2 mod 8, which is 2. So z comes out to be 2. Okay. Now we have the next iteration for, so this iteration is done, then I equals to 1. Then we have z equals to z square mod n. So z equals to z is 2, 2 square is 4 mod 8. So we get z equals to 4. So z becomes 4. Now we have if C of 1 equals to 1, C of 1 is 0, so this do not execute. Then I gets increment to 2. For I equals to 2, we have z equals to z square mod n. So we have z equals to 4 square is 60 mod 8, which is 0. So z gets updated to 0. Then if C of I equals to 1, C of 2 is 1, so z gets updated to 0 into A mod n, which is 0 into 2 mod 10, which is 0 mod 8, 0 into 2 mod 8, which is 0 mod 8, which is 0. So z remains as 0. Then the next iteration I is 3, so z equals to z square mod n, which is 0 square mod n, which is 0. So z remains as 0. Now we have z equals to, if C of I equals to 1, C of 3 is 1, yes. So z equals to z, which is 0 into A 2 mod 8, which is equals to 0. So z remains as 0. So then the output of do something is, we are returning the value of z is 0, so 0 is returned. So answer to this question is 0.